Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to recover your Gmail password in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password. Unfortunately, you forgot your Gmail password or hijacked, hacked by someone. What's the best strategy, alternative options to a rescue of your Gmail? We will see live. But this is only for institution purpose. Don't misuse it, guys. Now see, it's asking a password. This area has been provided by one viewer who has lost his especially on the device, and due to that especially has recommended to the rescue of this. So without having the recovery email and the recovery phones, we will rescue of ads. So we don't have a phone number, guys. So now it's a sanction that I did not provide. So by a common method, if you attempted, and it's a sanction that to recover you will have to answer of these questions. So on second is that if your account is managed with any alternative email or family links, so then we have the sanction. We quit all options because this is not possible from here. So what is the best options to the rescue? Let's see. We will tap on especially in the Play Store. In the Play Store, just we will have to come especially. Yes, search bar. Search bar too. We will have to write here that. Let's see. Hola browser, and of course we will click on here. So it says scarcely approximately. See, this one's fast on the web browser and the. So now see, I'm trying to install it here. So it has gone in the planning. So now it's scarcely 20 MB. So quickly it will be installed. So on the other hand, the two chances that is very crucial. So where it is, of course we will come in here in a Google product. In the Google product we have especially one Google browser. That's very important. So of course we will have to tap on it. Yes, we will click on it, especially info icons, and upon of course we will go for notification. These changes, take any smartphones, apply this strategy, and you will see the what's kind of the corollary. Magically, of course, easily we can recover of any Gmails. Yes. Now in the location we will have to make the precise location of, and thereupon of course we will go for. Yes, if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device no longer functions as intended, then we will go for enables. Then of course we will back here one more time. So we will back, and here we can confirm that set as a default of these things. It should be a disable. And thereupon you will have enabled, so the make it disabled, then the free the permission and the free up a space in the survey especially disables. Then we will cut it from here. As we know that second, yes, browser that's also product of Google. So just we will attack on a Chrome. So now in the Chrome here we will come in a notification. It's I think already blocked, so no, it's enabled. So I had blocked now, so we will come the permissions to, of course we will have to make the precise location of them. No longer the function is intended hands of this browser. We will have to back one more time, guys. Here let's do one more times, and free of this fish you can check it out that it's a disabled, so no problem. Now we will go for especially in the Play Store. In the Play Store, let's see this browser has been installed or not. Yes, it has been installed. So just we will open here and see we are directly on here. Here we will have to accept a term and condition, and accepting term and condition. Then here we will come in especially Google search bar. Just we will write here Google, and we will go for here. So now see it has started to browsing. So first we will tap on this and tap on this to. Here we will have options to sign in to first. Let's see. Yeah, simply we will have to write here that yes, we will go for fix this ones. So it's did not take in. So let's see. No, this is not. Viewer ID especially was that the cursor letter. Yeah, this one especially, guys. So many ideas especially have the recovering day. So according to the viewer requirements, so that's why actually Now take especially go for especially I'm the next option this one, and when we tap on next, then see here is asking password. We will go for forgot password by a normal method. Here is asking especially I'm this phone number, so the phone is also the coming here, so we will go for especially locked phones. So don't worry, I will show you how many devices are locked with this device also, that how it is possible. We will see all the detail we will give you, don't worry. Here is this phone number is registered, it's a verified account guys, so this is not possible to text or call because OTP would be generated on that particular number, and the losing of device actually you don't have, so we will prefer to we don't have a mobile. So when we tap on it, so now here is the answer as many question as you can. Second, that use a device where we have the sign in the before, you have the sign in before, and the third is the alternative email and the family links. Fourth is the more tips to other scope in this account. So we will pick this one and don't click on a try again. Yes, by this we will approach by clicking on a specially setting, because if we click on here, then maybe especially this account will be a freeze for time being, because Google will track that and the thanks to the description decided by the reference browser. So just we will go for especially click on a Google service and the preferences. You will have option this one. See here, this feature is especially designed to address scope the verification password. Just we will go for especially help option now, and after tapping on the help option here, we will have to write that hacked. Just do a similar strategy and see what's the magically, of course, we can the scope from this. Now see, you will have option secure or hacked or compromise Google accounts. So now here we can see we have to go for review your account activities. So when we tap on that, now see, find out if your account has been hacked. We can see here is see, if there's someone, if you still believe someone is using this account, so find out if your account has been hacked. But yes, review which devices you or especially use your accounts. Just see the by that, and we can go for, we are not going in detail, but how devices locked with this are, of course, so that we can go for here also directly, and we can sign out to these things. Yes, this is possible, of course. I will show in the another tutorials if you want them. Right now, especially here, we would like to especially go with especially here, find out if your account has been hacked. When we tap then here we will have especially one page that in these steps to the can recover from these accounts, and just to tap on it. After tapping, so we will have not. Just make it the confirm so that, and there should be elements the two options that what if I steal the accounts and the create a replacement of Google account, avoid the getting of especially I mean your Gmail accounts. By two options, if you are having it, surely you can. You will have on an arrow Google recovery page. Just we will tap on it, and when we tap on it, so then we would be directly in the recovery page, guys. And what you see here, just simply we will have to pick this ID because it will be especially yes recommended to you to rescue, and of course now that we can see the result of here. There is not required any kind of the things, but of course verification OTP would be generated, so don't make a mistake here to click on a continue, otherwise yes you would be trapped in its verify your option. So just smartly we will click on a especially update password, and now that we have the strong opportunity to create the strong password. Further we cannot add especially maybe a security concerns because it's in a public domain, guys, especially a live recording show. We cannot create after screening off, of course we will create and we will deliver to but one thing more, just after creating password save it, then you will have to go in the Google account management. In the Google account management there will be a security option there in a recovery email. Firstly we will have to add, and by adding the recovery email, then of course we will remove especially that recovery number was added, and after adding of that especially add a new recovery number so that this area will be permanently and fully secured. Further this kind of incident would be happen again, and of course there is some data that is also especially risk of it on this ML. So this is all about, guys. How do you like this tutorial? So don't forget, leave a feedback below the comment box, and do watch carefully. Take any smartphones, apply a similar strategy. If you are having still any problems, and then of course you can drop the query in the comment box. We will fix it together, don't worry. And if you are unable to execute these things because we have customized established especially computer setup especially to the rescue of the particulars, so If you are unable to execute, then drop your email in the comment box, and of course I will pick and I will especially rescue of your Gmail password and I will deliver to you. But you shouldn't have any problem that if I disclose your Gmail, especially in the public domain on this channel. So that this is all about, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great time. Bye bye.